President Donald Trump's gold card immigrant visa idea is reportedly becoming a reality with unexpected help from Elon Musk's DOGE development team. Initially floated in February, the plan involves offering wealthy foreigners a path to U.S. citizenship for a $5 million price tag. Trump and Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick envision it as a high-end alternative to the existing EB-5 visa program, which requires $800,000 to $1 million in investment and job creation for Americans. According to a New York Times report, DOGE engineers have collaborated with multiple federal agencies to build a website and application system to the new visa. The project is allegedly being led by two controversial figures, 19-year-old Edward Big Ball Correstein and 26-year-old Marco Ellis, the latter known for Russia's social media posts. Lutnick claimed on a podcast that 1,000 visas had already been sold, though insiders say no money has changed hands yet. The gold card would grant permanent residency provided applicants pass vetting and stay law-abiding. Critics warn of ethical, legal and moral red flags as this luxury visa plan unfolds, blending wealth, politics and Silicon Valley in an unprecedented way.